OnlyFans is, yeah, I mean, it's a legitimate business. So, yeah, anyone who makes money on OnlyFans, generally you have to file taxes just like anyone else. Obviously, every situation is different, so it kind of depends on how you're set up. Like, basically, do you have an LLC formed already? Is your OnlyFans money, is it getting deposited to your business account, which hopefully you have, or is it getting deposited to your personal account? Right? Just like any business or any contractor or self-employed person. In plenty of states, right, having weed in your car is legal, right? Having a weed business is legal. Still, a lot of banks won't, they won't give you accounts, they won't process your payments, things like that. So with OnlyFans in particular, I don't know if there are restrictions like that. Still, as an OnlyFans model, yeah, I mean, hey, if you're getting your bag, girl, go right ahead. Like, yeah, get what you need to get. You're a business owner now. So basically the most important things I would tell you is, you know, if you don't have your LLC set up, do that now. And then also have a bank account. Do you have a business bank account already set up? You do? Okay, good, perfect. So make sure that your OnlyFans deposits and like money and payments, they're going into your business account. They are already. Okay, perfect. That's exactly what we wanted to hear. So the main thing for you right now is, I guess, number one, keep getting your money, keep it up. The other thing is, as a business owner, right, you have to pay your own taxes at the end of the year. That's coming up pretty soon. Best rule or best like rule of thumb or advice is 30% of everything you make. Just put it away for taxes. Your return from last year said you're about 100,000. You said this year is about the same.
Yeah, it's about the same.
Okay, so basically, you get every month, $1,000, 300 of it just put in a separate account. Business savings is easiest, and that's going to be for taxes, come March and April. Does that sound easy enough then? Okay, cool. You're a business owner. You're making your own money. So just like if you were to like drive Uber, or just like if you were to like do people's taxes, like you run your own company. It's just that your company is you. So yeah, you have to file taxes just like everybody else. And from what you've told me so far, it sounds like you're doing everything right, which is a good thing to hear. So yeah, in a couple months when you come back to us and you're like, hey, here's the rest of my papers, go ahead and file my taxes. Like, yeah, it'll be easy enough. How are you tracking your like expenses and your revenue and everything right now? Like, do you have QuickBooks? Do you have Wave? Do you have just like an Excel sheet? Like, what are you using?
Honestly, not really anything.
Nothing yet. Okay, cool. No problem. Pretty common. And you're all good. We get plenty of people like that. So, yeah, I would say this just more from like a business standpoint is you want to be tracking your money, right? Money in, money out. You got to know where you're at. QuickBooks is the gold standard for small businesses. Wave is the free one. Or I guess how confident do you feel like learning new apps and stuff like that?
Not really
Not
great.
really. Okay, that makes sense. And they are like accounting apps. I'm guessing if you log into OnlyFans, you can look up like your payments that you've received from OnlyFans, like every week or month, whatever it is.
Yeah, I can see
Yeah,
that.
exactly. So just take that for right now and like put that in an Excel sheet. The date you received, $2,870, and then the next one and the next one, and same thing for your expenses. Right now, it's probably going to be the easiest thing because, like you said earlier, you don't have too many right now. Eventually, you will. So an Excel sheet right now, it's pretty much just like a stopgap. Well, one, you should probably hire somebody at a certain point, not do it yourself. Just like a doctor would never recommend someone do their own surgery, I would never recommend you do your own taxes or bookkeeping. At the end of the day, it's your business. So if you want to do it on your own, you mentioned you're not comfortable with learning new like programs, especially accounting ones. So it's probably going to be better for you and easier to like hire somebody. Do you have somebody in mind, or would you want to go with somebody or like somebody we recommend that might be able to make it like an easy transition for you? Like, what would you prefer?
Yeah, if you guys have someone.
Okay, yeah, we can introduce you guys. Pretty much, we'll set it up and it'll be easy. We work with them all the time, so yeah, we can take care of that. At the end of the day, this should be like a weight off your shoulder. Like and I see the smile coming across your face right now, which is good. So that's why you met us. That's what we're here for, to make it easy. And taxes and accounting, that's our thing. Your thing is to go make money. Ours is to help you keep it. So it's good to see that you have a smile on your face, and yeah, rest assured, it'll be a breeze the rest of the way. So yeah, all good. Before I guess we finish, did you have any specific questions about like something we talked about today for tax season coming up that maybe we haven't like addressed yet, or you still need it answered?
No, I think you answered all my questions.
Okay, cool. That works. Sounds good. And in a few weeks, you'll get an email from us with an organizer, kind of like we talked about, to collect all that extra documents and some of the income numbers. And then we take it from there. Sound good?
Yeah, that's great.
All right, perfect. Well, good to talk to you. Thank you for trusting us to be your tax advisors. We appreciate it. And yeah, we'll be in touch soon.
Sounds great. Thanks.